A warm welcome to everyone present here. This is Rakshida pursuing first year BDS, and this video is really gonna be so special. You know why? Because this deals with the current scenario, that is the board exams. I see many students writing their board exams, and especially people from the science stream would have a wandering mind because they are given with so many career options in front of them, and even they might think dentistry as their career option list. In their career option list, they might even keep dentistry as well. So today, as a first year student, I'll be giving you a set of advices and suggestions as well. And what makes this video even more special is my classmates. My classmates have also given a set of suggestions, advices, opinions about choosing dentistry as a career option, and I feel really excited. Let's get started. Let's move to the first response I have received. So this is from my dearest friend Gulashri. So let's get started. Okay, hi. Firstly, it has been only 5 months since I joined dental school. Yeah. So my opinions are probably not that accurate, but here we go. So anyone that aspires to join dentistry must first realize that it's not very easy. A lot of people think that dentistry is easy just because we learn only about the teeth instead of the whole body. That's true. That's a misconception because we think that dentistry that we're going to really read only about the teeth, but that's actually wrong. We really learn really the whole body. So if you are only planning on joining dental school because you think that it's easy, then please don't, because it's not. There is a lot to learn, and you need to balance between preparing for your theory and practicals. Only join dentistry if you have a passion for both art and science. So this field really deals with art and science basically. And I have really posted a video regarding the 5 months practicals. If you didn't watch, please do watch it as well. It involves a lot of hand work. So by seeing the video itself, you will get to know that the carving, the benches, you will have to do a lot more. It will get pretty stressful, but if you're ready to face it and you genuinely want to pursue a career in dentistry, then congratulations. You will be a great dentist. Oh wow, that's nice. The response was incredible and truthful response as well. So thank you, Guhashri. So let's move on to the response number two. Let's move on. So let's move on to the next response. First of all, dentistry is like an alternate for students who cannot join MBBS and have mostly been selected as an option, not as a choice. And this should be changed. And they have to know that it is no less than MBBS. We have to improve our hand skills, definitely, because as you can see in that video as well, all involves hand skills for us, and which plays an important role in dentistry. People see dentists as God if you treat them, since toothache is more painful experience, even like in childhood sometimes. That's true. Even if MBBS doctor has toothache, you need to come to us. I feel so great for that. So dentist is not only a dentist, but a doctor, engineer, and an artist. Dentist. Oh my god, that's so good. So kiddos, make everyone open their mouth when they see you. So good. That's a truth exposing response, right? I really like this response. Thank you. It's a short response, 5 minutes. Let's see what's that. I think it is better for them to know about dentistry. That's true because I too surfed some videos before joining dentistry, the YouTube as well. Cause I entered this field without any idea, and I thought like it would be good if someone were there to tell me about this field. Yeah, because when we ask somebody about dentistry, they will just say the portions are heavy or the portions are so much, but they didn't say that you will have to carve or you will have these practicals, you will have these dentures and all. Because for that reason, we felt like we were without any idea. And somewhere, okay, so I would have chosen any other option as well. Yeah, okay, so this is your own opinion or self opinion. I like it. So let's move on to the positive. This response is one of my favorite and most special response. Okay, response from Sarika Shri. She is actually my top of friend. So let's get started. Whatever it is, have fun. Oh my god, I like the first sentence itself. Tolerate the humiliations. Definitely, you need to tolerate the humiliations every time you go and beg a teacher for approval of your practical works. They will humiliate you like anything. And when you're able to tolerate that, you are successful. Tolerate the humiliations, it's a part of our great faith. Don't listen to unwanted talks about choosing BS. I support this. If you want to shine in anything, just take hard work as food and smart work as water in your days. Oh my god, the response is positive. I really like positive responses. Move on to the response. Dentistry and MBBS are two different streams of medicine. Both are not the same. But neither of them are superior or inferior to each other. This you need to know. MBBS offers us multiple nights to choose from once we complete our UG, while in dentistry, the specialties you have limited when compared to MBBS. Yeah, we know that we only have less, but dentistry is a world of its own, yeah, with unlimited potentials, interesting streams, and specialties. Completing UG in dentistry alone is enough to set up a clinic and do surgery, but it's not possible in MBBS. You have to do some kind of specialization. This is my reply. Because in clinics, you can survive with BDS, and that's the case and the best thing about BDS. Finally, dentistry is exciting to work with and an important field of study. Once you get interested in learning dentistry, you will be able to ace the field of your study gracefully. Don't enter this field unless you have an interest in it, and don't enter this field for just putting doctor in front of your name. That's true. Yes, it's a self explanatory and a lengthy response. So, thank you so much. So, let's move on to the next response as well. Before choosing BDS, they must know that it's not easier than BDS. They must know the knowledge of how the future medicine is dependent on the oral region. BDS is nothing but an art as well as a hard work. But before choosing, I thought BDS is easy to study, but truly it's not. Okay? So first 3 years we'll have MBBS subjects because we are having these subjects, but some portions will not be there. That's true. You need to work hard whatever medical courses you choose. Patience is more important before choosing any kind of medical course, according to me, and so it's better to practice before itself. First, it will be difficult to handle. After that, it becomes your routine. I like this word. So first, it will be difficult to handle, then it becomes your routine. You must sacrifice your teen life. I'm not saying you can't enjoy. Of course you can, but very less than who is just taking degree. Okay. So it's important to prepare your mind to handle that. After that, it becomes your routine. I like this word. So yeah, that's good. That's a true response as well. That's a creative response as well. Thank you so much. What I suggest is don't choose this field because you didn't get medicine. And they should refer people about this course. If they are good at carving and more skill work, definitely they have a bright future in it. And they should understand the fact that this field requires more hard work and patience. Patience are very necessary. I was a student with zero patience in my life, and now I'm like developing my patience day on a daily basis. This field made me to do that, and that's a good quality though. And as there are a number of clinics all around, so go for that. I like it. In my opinion, when I'm studying my board, I'm not that much interested in this or had a proper knowledge about this field. That's true. We didn't have any proper knowledge about this field. We had a lot of misconceptions that we need to avoid. But after entering in this field, it's not worse. It's not a worse thing, which I thought in my school life. So it's upon you to choose this field or not. Whether whatever the thing is, listen to your heart and follow that. Listen your heart, bro. Listen your heart. Don't change your decision for everyone's wish. Oh, that's good. That's great because you need to follow your heart. Listen to your heart and follow that. That's good. Thank you. So let's move on to the last response for the session. I think dentistry is looked down upon by so many people, but in reality, that's not the case. And I believe it's only fair enough to say that so many first time dental students also felt the same. That's true. We also felt humiliated to join BDS instead of MBBS. Now, see the scenario. But I think it's always good to have an open mind when it comes to this field. Because this field surprises you in the most pleasant ways possible and also provides room for so much creativity, bro. Yes, creativity. And I think the course has a lot to offer for so many different people. You could be someone who wanted to become a dentist from the very beginning, or you settled for the course because you didn't get something else that you wanted. But this course has the best to offer. If you have an open mind, I think dentistry will definitely show you the right way to a grand future for you. That's true, bro. That's self-explanatory, and I like the response as well. Thank you. Okay, now if you ask my opinion, I would say live the moment. Because when you have a great hunger, interest in this field of dentistry, when you have a great passion in this field, no matter the scope of the field, no matter how bad people think about this field, no matter how many people are taking this field, you are definitely going to shine, my dear. So that's for today. Hope the video was more motivational. Hope the 12 students found it useful as well. So consider subscribing and stay tuned for the next video as well. Thank you.